you know, the only reason why you're actually not manifesting what you want is because you keep thinking that these people that have these things, the Ferraris, the houses, the everything that you wish for, they're some sort of geniuses or some sort of gods. It only takes once that you meet a person with a Ferrari that isn't that bright and you think, damn, this person is an idiot. The biggest roadblock that you set yourself up to is by putting these material possessions or these people on some sort of pedestal like they're gods or they're some sort of geniuses. They're not. Some are, but you don't have to be to get to the level where a lot of rich people are. When you realize that, that's gonna be the moment when you are finally allowing yourself to manifest good things in your life. So you can't manifest whatever it is that you want to manifest financially while you put these people on a pedestal. Yes, they own a Ferrari. That's just a car. It's a car like any other car. You put them on a pedestal, you are acting like a fan, you're gonna stay a fan, you're gonna stay there. You're gonna push that manifestation further away from you until you realize there's nothing special. You can be there. You deserve to be there. Work on yourself. Be the person that will have that car and you're gonna have it. There's nothing special. So it only takes one person that's also a little bit less bright that you meet, that has one of the cars or the houses or the things that you want. That's the only thing that it takes for you to realize, wait a minute, there's nothing special about them. I can do that as well.